Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XT5. Designed with your agenda in mind, this XT5 helps you get ahead while pampering you like it's your day off. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, active noise cancellation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.